Hello, I'm Ken O'Connor with Jones Lang LaSalle Engineering Services, and I'm the Reliability Engineering Director. We are the 2019 Uptime Award winner as Innovation Champions. Because we have the privilege to work for such a large company and have so many clients and so many buildings and assets to take care of, we needed a way to be able to implement our program at scale. The next generation maintenance programs allows us to standardize what we do, to apply a consistent strategy to all like assets around the world. Once we have all of the correct attribute data for the assets that we're responsible for, we're able to apply a preventative and condition-based strategy. So currently the next generation maintenance program is implemented with over 200 of our clients, over 100 countries around the world, and over 1 million assets are within the program with the application of our strategy. So the next generation maintenance program is aligned with the Uptime Elements reliability framework, and we have a criticality and condition assessments and the ability to optimize our maintenance strategies over time through a robust feedback cycle. So we always start off with new clients making sure that we have the asset registry quality we need to apply our maintenance strategy. Then as we mature with that client and with our account team, what we see is not only excellent safety performance, but also increased productivity over time as we optimize the program for that client. Yeah, and the more we deploy the next generation maintenance program, the more the organization wants to learn about reliability and understand how the next generation modules can help them perform better at their buildings for their clients. I want to thank the Reliability Leadership Institute community for their encouragement and inspiration as we work together to understand how to advance reliability further. And I want to thank the Reliabilityweb team for their mentorship and guidance in helping us understand how reliability occurs and the leadership needed to make it real and sustainable. Thank you.